Here is our room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We have 2 queen beds. We do not have a room that is a 5th sleeper because we have the actual dresser. That dresser, if you have a 5th sleeper, is the bed and it pulls down. We do have the 2 chairs and table. And here is the fridge. We have the newer fridge that's see-through. There's also storage here when you do not have the 5th sleeper. As I mentioned, this would be a bed for the 5th sleeper rooms. You have somewhere to put your suitcases. This is the bathroom. We have double sinks. Here's the closet. And then the bathroom. And we have the toiletries that are attached to the wall. Shower curtain. And then the 2 double beds again. Since this is a moderate resort, it does open to the outside. They do have a few connecting rooms. And this room is in a great location because I step outside the room. There is the bus stop. And then right around the corner is the Skyliner station. So, perfect spot.